Welcome to Sreelaya's channel. Today we're going to be making a simple South Indian Kara Chutney. Let's get started. For this you'll need 4 medium tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 4 to 5 dry red chilies, 4 to 5 garlic pods, and about half a lemon sized black tamarind. Start by adding 4 tablespoons of oil, followed by onion. Saute the onion until the onion turns translucent. Once the onions have dampened a little bit, add the garlic pods and saute them for a couple of minutes more. You should now get the beautiful aroma of onion and garlic. At this stage, go ahead and add the dry chilies. Saute this mixture until you really see them get soft. Once you see the onions and garlic turning brown, go ahead and add the tomatoes at this stage. Be sure you don't add the tamarind just yet, because adding the tamarind earlier will make your tomatoes stiff and won't let them cook. After a while, you should see the tomato pulp separating from the skin. That should give you a hint that your tomatoes are about cooked. At this stage, add the tamarind. After you've sauteed the mixture along with the tamarind for about a minute, add a little bit of salt to taste. About a teaspoon would do. This will ensure that the flavors really blend in. After the salt, don't forget to add in half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Asafoetida or hing is known to have amazing health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants and promotes very good digestive health. Your mixture is now ready. Turn off the flame and allow the mixture to cool down for a couple of minutes. Transfer this mixture onto a blender and grind to a coarse paste. The last and final stage is the tempering process. For this, start by adding 2 teaspoons of oil, about a teaspoon of mustard, and once the mustard splutters, add in the curry leaves. Now make sure that the curry leaves don't get burnt. Leave the curry leaves in for a few seconds. Once they splutter a bit, add the ground mixture back in. Give it a stir for a couple of seconds. And there you go. Your South Indian Kara Chutney or a spicy chutney is ready to be served with some steaming idlis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click that magic bell icon because that will tell you when my new videos are up. God bless you and have a wonderful day.